Welcome to our channel. Today, we're learning how to remove items from picture with Windows built-in Photos app. First, right-click on the image you want to edit. Select Open With and choose Photos. Once the image is open, click on the Edit Image icon in the top left corner or press Ctrl+E to edit the image. Then, click on Erase icon, which looks like an eraser. Enable the Auto Apply toggle. Adjust the brush size based on the object you want to remove. Now, carefully paint over the unwanted object. Release your mouse button and watch as the Photos app processes your image. This usually takes just a few seconds. Now the items are successfully removed, and it's hard to see any changes in the image. Then click on Save Options to save it or save as copy. For more detailed erasure, turn off the Auto Apply switch. Click Add Mask to paint the object to erase. You can choose more than one object here. Make sure to cover a slightly larger area than the object for a better blending effect. Click Remove Mask to unpaint the object. After set, click on Erase button to erase the selected object from Photos. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply click the Undo button or Reset button at the top left to restore the image and try again. With the Generative Erase feature, editing photos has never been easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Windows. Thanks for watching.